Crypto fam, are you ready to earn $500 from these 3 new Testnet projects? In today's video, we're talking about Keychain, Uomi and Fairblock. Welcome back to my channel where we turn time into wealth. I'm Raj. I will show you step by step how to join, what tools you need and how to maximize your reward like a professional. If you are all about making money from crypto, hit the subscribe, smash the like and ring that bell, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel for instant updates, secret drops and exclusive guides. The link is in the description. Let's farm some free token. Let's begin it. First airdrop is from Fairblock. It provides confidential stable coin and protect trading. I'll give all the links in the description box. Click on the link, join my Telegram channel where you find the airdrop link. Fairblock has already raised $2.5 million from the market. Some of their biggest fund backers are JSR, Robot Ventures, Lend Me Scrap, Helio, etc. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to the Testnet faucet page where you just need to connect your wallet. Click on connect wallet, then you need to download the Kelper extension. I will provide the link of the extension. You just need to download the extension, create a wallet on this. When you have set up the wallet, just reload the page, then click on connect wallet, click on Kelper, then click on approve to connect your wallet. After that, you will see this type of phase of fairy. Just click on request token, then you have to open your wallet. After receiving the token, I will give another website link. When you come to this website, just click on connect your wallet, then Kepler, approve it. After that, you would get an option of predict now. Click on here, then click on, you can read all these things here. It is said that for day 1 you will get a 1.5x booster points, for day 2 you will get 1.25x, for day 3 you will get 1x, and if you share it on X you will get 200 point bonus. Just click on I am ready to predict. There you will see the Ethereum chart. Here is the Ethereum chart, and now predict the price of the Ethereum. You just need to predict the price. Suppose I'm thinking that it will go up, so I give a like 3,500 of encrypt now. It will approve your transaction. It will take some time. Then click on approve, then again approve. They are showing busy network. And after that, you just need to share it on Twitter and you will get 200 point extra. I simply share it on Twitter and take the reward. If my prediction is good, then I will get a small amount of point. It is mainly a prediction based project, so you need to just join it using your prediction skill on how much it will go up or down. After that, you can also see the leaderboard here. You will find the leaderboard who have made how many points. The next airdrop is from Uomi. Uomi has already raised $2.3 million from the market. Uomi is a layer 1 blockchain designed for secure AI computation, enabling autonomous AI agent to think, act, trade and evolve without human input. They are building an AI agent, so you can also join their project. I will give the link in the description box. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to this type of page. Just click on connect wallet, then connect your MetaMask wallet, or you can also use Kepler wallet. I simply connect with my MetaMask. It is much more safer or easy to use. When you connect your wallet, click on faucet. After that, you just need to click on request. Before that, you need to fill the captcha. After filling the captcha, click on request, and after every 24 hours, just you need to share a post on Twitter. Share the post and you will get a 10 Uomi balance. After every 24 hours, you can request for token. After that, return to this website, and I will give another link of website. It's from Syntha. Just click on get started, continue, then connect your wallet. Here you just need to create some of the tokens and also provide liquidity. I simply show you how. Just select USDT or USDC. I simply select USDC. Just then put one Uomi and click to connect to Uomi. After that, approve the network. After that, select USDC. Then you will need to provide some of the liquidity by putting one Uomi into USDC. I simply swap a small amount of Uomi into USDC. You just need to provide liquidity here and you would be done. It will take some time to process the. After that, you can convert into what Uomi. I simply convert 3 Uomi into warp Uomi. Just click on warp. It will cut some of the fees, but not from your main balance. It's a testnet token, so you don't need any amount of money. Just confirm it and you'll be done. I will provide another link for guild task and joining their Discord server, where you have to just click on the link. You have to get verified and get a role from the Discord and you'll earn extra points. I will give that link, where you have to just hold testnet participant or validator. You will get all the benefits of testnet participant, validator. If you hold the testnet tokens and provide liquidity here, whatever then before you will get a testnet participant role. If you hold that tokens and provide liquidity, you will get the benefit of validator, future mainnet benefit, everything. If you hold the testnet participant and validator or validator, means you have to just provide the liquidity and hold the testnet token. You just come here to this website and regularly collect the testnet token. The last airdrop is a big thing. It's from Keychain. It has already raised $20 million from the market. For a testnet project, for an early phase testnet project, is a huge, and it's also confirmed airdrop. 100. The raised airdrop was potential, but this is a confirmed airdrop. Keychain is a blockchain platform focused on enabling secure, transparent, and efficient digital transaction and data management for business and develop. For now, data management projects are getting a huge audience and user base, and they are working for secure database and transparent database for blockchain transactions. They have a huge project that they will give a huge profit. From this single airdrop, you can earn $300 to $400 profit if you work hard. I will provide the link in my Telegram channel, where you will click on the link. You will be redirected to this type of page where it is saved, Keychain page. Just click on connect wallet, connect to your MetaMask wallet. I always simply save them, use EVM wallets. Connect to your MetaMask wallet, connect it. After connecting it, just click on connect wallet and you just need to enter your email. I simply put my email here, accept and continue, prove it. After that, click on accept and continue. When your wallet is successfully connected, you just need to follow them on Twitter. I simply click on it. Then you have to authorize your Twitter account with this page. Since it is a testnet airdrop, there are a lot of bugs. After that, you need to do all the tasks, follow them on Twitter, join their Discord, apply for key guide role. Everything is said in details in their guide. Just simply do all the tasks. If I started to doing all the tasks, it will take a lot of time. And you just first need to connect your Twitter account, follow deposit fund, a lot of things. You need to open an account on KeyX account. You need to verify your KYC with this. Everything is said in details. Do all the tasks and you will be eligible for the testnet token. Since they are a confirmed airdrop, they will soon give their airdrop. For this airdrop launch date in my Telegram channel, also join my Telegram channel. I hope that you have find this video very informative. If you like this video, click on like, and if you are new to my channel, also subscribe my channel. This is me, Raj, signing off.